Hi guys, this is James from Canada. We're continuing the cheapest Lamborghini in the world build. This time, we're going for the oil pump. Now this has been done twice in the world according to YouTube. There was one chap in the UK, there was one person in America. As many of you guys know, the 5.0 oil pump doesn't really have a repair manual. It doesn't have a repair kit, so everything had to be figured out by hand. Let's see how it turned out. Let's go. This Gallardo came in with a problem almost nobody tries to solve. Rebuilding a 5.0 oil pump like this is one of only 3 known attempts in the world. The pump was buried under silicone and soaked in oil. So far, no visible cracks. If the housing were cracked, we would be hunting for another pump, or worse, weld repair. A new one is roughly $7,000, and even used pumps in mystery condition still cost $1,200. Because it is a Lamborghini, even removing the pump is absurdly difficult. There are 5 upper mounting bolts and one is completely hidden. The drive sleeve and shaft also seize together easily. If they cannot be removed and have to be cut, part cost goes up by $1,800 US. Once the pump is finally off, the leak path is obvious. The old O-rings stay attached for size measurement. The shafts were covered in rust. Most supercar owners would send the Lamborghini straight to a brand name shop. I usually go the other direction. I like underdog specialists, the kind of shop that can pull this pump without cutting the shaft or dropping the engine mount. The kind of hydraulic specialist that works on everything from semiconductor equipment to farm machinery. Shops like that are hidden in plain sight, and they are how this Gallardo gets fixed the right way without supercar tax. This is a hydraulic repair shop run by an owner with more than 30 years in the trade. There is a hydraulic press in the corner, shelves loaded with 10,000 plus seals. Difficult jobs end up here when everyone else gives up. A perfect fit for the Gallardo oil pump job. There is no service manual for this oil pump. From the manufacturer's point of view, why publish repair manual if a failure just sells another expensive pump? For us, we never pay full price. Every real repair starts with cleaning. It reveals hairline damage in the housing and keeps debris out when the pump comes apart. Without a sandblaster, the cleaning alone takes close to an hour. And this is kind of detail that separates a patch job from real repair. To a 30-year specialist, even a $7,000 oil pump is just another hydraulic machine. If the sealing surface is not perfectly even, it does not matter how new the seal is, the leak will come right back. Black marker on the left, white marker on the right. Simple move, but it keeps assembly mistakes off the table. Now the full teardown begins. Every master technician has one signature move, and this shop happens to be storing bolts and nuts in a frying pan. Now the internals are exposed, and you can see the channels that carry the oil through the pump.
베어링이 다 물에 바로 빠졌네요.
그 키 때문에 그래.
네. 이야.
그리고
And there it is, the O-ring that started this whole mess.
야, 얘는 정상이에요.
네네네.
그 대신 우리가 저희 발단 이 면을 다 갈아서
네.
요 며칠이나 위에 올라와 있는
네네네.
거. 요 있어서 얘 시간 감이 별로 없지. 별로 없잖아요.
네. 아, 그렇네요.
그래서 얘가 눌러서 옆에까지 간단 말이에요.
네.
예.
아, 딱 이 느낌.
To find the right replacement, every dimension has to be exact. The groove, the diameter, all of it.
독일자로 갈든지 미제로 갈든지 일자로.
Once the measurements are locked in, the new O-rings get ordered.
047 얘네요, 얘. 안녕하십니까.
The new rings arrive as simple circles, so they have to be shaped to fit the part correctly. The parts that almost turned this oil pump into scrap and the parts bringing it back are just a few seals worth 10 cents each. The engine side O-rings are tied to their locations with spares included, just in case one gets damaged or goes missing. Every O-ring location gets assembly grease. It helps new seals seat correctly. And this whole rebuild is done barehanded, because the last thing you want inside an oil pump is dust or debris.
가운데부터. 이것도 가운데부터. 배경 보면 어떤 거는 여기
Now the helical gear goes back in. The key goes in first, then the gear slides into place.
그 이론을 기본적으로 이래가지고 독일로 보내면 비싸잖아. 그러니까 일로 오는 거야.
보내는 값이 자동차 것도 해보시네.
이렇게 돌아. 그러면 이렇게 돌았는데 이쪽으로 돌아.
The final cover goes in, and once again it is tightened from the inside out to keep everything evenly seated.
요래 돈다 그랬잖아.
네네네.
그러면
The old O-ring seat has to be cleaned all the way down. Rush this part and the leak comes right back. At last, the rebuild pump goes back in. The O-rings can fall out if you get careless, so this part takes patience. Also, that pump is heavier than it looks. Even this ridiculous welded drain bolt has to go. And a proper factory part goes in. And honestly, that alone is so satisfying. Installing a Gallardo oil pump is basically a fight against bolts you can barely even see. And behold, bolt from hell. That hidden bolt has to be found by feel, threaded in blind, and tightened with just enough room for extension to reach it. After reassembly, the original oil goes back in. We do not switch to fresh oil yet because hand-fitted sealing work like this may still need one final recheck. Hydraulic pressure settles in stable at about 6 bar. The road test comes back clean. Maybe it is the warmer weather. Maybe it is a rebuilt oil pump. But the car definitely feels more solid than it did last time. And the Lambo is back. To give you more detail, we were originally quoted around $10,000 for the oil pump change, which was not really acceptable because we got the car for $27,000. Now, what we really spent? We spent $200 in the oil pump rebuild, and we spent $600 getting it off and on. And that was without damaging the shaft, so it was definitely worth it. The grand total was around $800, which is equivalent to a timing belt job on a Honda Accord many years ago. And like this, going forward, we will be using what Korea has to offer in terms of skilled labor and circumvent buying these expensive parts that are everywhere trying to take your money and complete this build under $30,000. It will be literally the cheapest Lamborghini Gallardo and the cheapest Lamborghini in the world. Stay tuned for more info, and if you found this video interesting, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.